Hey, what's going on, my nerd friends? It's Gabe Monroy with Nerd Tech, and I'm talking to you again about Air.ai. You can see I have a script up on my screen right now. There's a lot of times when people come to me and they're like, Gabe, I want to verify the phone number or the email, and I want to see how can I update that on the contact card. So I use GHL to integrate Air. If you don't already know, we manage all of our contacts there. The only reason I come to Air anymore is to use it for creating, updating the scripts, and to do the stats tracking, which is the call outcomes. Highly suggest you're using GHL with this. If you're not, definitely reach out to me. I have my link below, book a time. I give a huge discount on the setup fee if you're not using GHL, and I can set you up with an account underneath me and all that jazz. So it is the best way to integrate Air and to manage your contacts all in one place. So once we get it in GHL, we want it to take the transcript after the call, and we want it to take the data, such as the phone number. And here's an example. He says, got it. Let's ensure we have all your contact information up to date. Could you confirm your phone number and email address for me? So let's say we want to update the phone number depending on what they say. We're going to use a ChatGPT feature in Go High Level. And so I'm going to jump over there and show you what that looks like. So when I go into my Nerd Tech GHL account, we're on the post outcome called data. This is the webhook that I connect with GHL, and this is the one that says, hey, we've got a call that's answered. Now what? Well, we want to do certain things to it. So we're going to update the contact. We're going to do some automations to keep track of call attempts and call answers. We're going to make notes about the call. If you've been following my videos, you've seen most of this stuff. Then when we get to the bottom, we have the outcomes, whether it's booked appointment, follow-up, or the do not call list, or we create other outcomes. So let's just pretend we have a booked appointment and we want to verify the information over the phone and make sure that their contact card is updated correctly. So we're going to click the plus. GHL has this awesome automation. If we type in GPT, it's called ChatGPT. The crown means it's premium, so it's going to charge us a penny every time we use this. So if I put that there, anything I put here is going to be a prompt for ChatGPT. So let's just say, I'm just going to come up with this right off the top of my head. It's probably not going to be the best one, but we're going to say, this is a transcript of a call between bot and human. I need you to analyze the transcript and let's see, what do we want to say? And your response will be the phone number the prospect tells us. All right, like I said, that might not be the best one. You always want to test this stuff. Then we'll say, here is the transcript. And then we'll go over here and we can get this data from the webhook. And it's going to be transcript right here. This is going to pull it from the webhook up here. So after the call is over, we're going to get the transcript. We tell ChatGPT what we want to do with it, and we're going to save that. And now we need a new action that says update the contact. Now we're going to update contact field. We're going to update the phone number field. And we're going to update it with the GPT response right here. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to be the response. Save. So up here in my prompt, the reason why I said I need you to analyze the script in your response will be the phone number, because then here I needed to say, hey, put the response here. So we have to tell it in the prompt what we want the response to be, what we want the output to be, because then once it analyzes it, then we can tell it where do we want to put that. This is really a simple yet very powerful feature that you can do with Go High Level. It's like having an entirely new assistant that you just hired to be able to look and translate your calls based on what happened and get valuable data out of your calls so that you can update the contacts. So Hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have questions about this or need me to help you build this out, again, feel free to book down below. Make sure and like this video if you liked it. I want to keep creating valuable content for you guys. Have a great rest of your week.